So one of the keys that we've seen to success is really around the scope of the overall transformation. And the key there is ensuring that it is a transformation and not seen as a project. So where a lot of customers have gotten themselves hung up over the course of the last several years is viewing the journey to the cloud as really a project around driving up a virtualization metric. And if it's seen as that by the lines of business, that's not really very compelling to them. It doesn't solve any of their problems. You could be 100% virtualized and not have solved any business problems, but you've made it easier to manage your environment. So the concept of the scope is to frame it in terms that are meaningful to the business. And that's got to be seen as an overall transformation of not just the infrastructure, but also the governance and the processes and the people who support that infrastructure. And our successful customers have framed it in terms of an overall transformation to IT as a service. Improving metrics like percent virtualized is going to come as an outcome of your overall journey, but that shouldn't be the focus. And the very successful customers are those who have taken the time to define the services they're going to offer the business, and they've brought the business into that definition process. They are framing those services they're offering in terms that are meaningful to the business. So they're not going to market, if you will, around an infrastructure as a service that says, I'll give you a virtual machine with one virtual CPU and half a gig of virtual memory. They're aggregating together a number of component level services into really a consumer type service that says, I'll give you a development environment with a file share and a development stack, the back end database, the middleware, the front end, the VDI interfaces in order to access that environment, automatic archiving and code management and that sort of thing. And I'm selling that to you on a per headcount basis per month. That's very compelling to a line of business because it's all defined in terms that are meaningful to them.